Good evening, one and all present here. This is Tariq Basha. I am an MBA graduate, HR and Marketing Specialization. Still now I work in the AVS and Shaktikala's group of institution in BPA department. So I have played the dual role on the class in charge and the placement coordinator. So I really interested in HR, the human resource. That's the only reason I choose my topic is the mock interview on HR practices. So how to prepare the mock interview, how to handle the HR, how the person to take up an interview. Listen, this is my topic. Listen. So what is the expansion in mock? Listen, multiple option checking. This is called the mock interview. Okay. So my student is a very one of the enthusiastic and energetic student. I have to say, hey, my dear friends, our student, tomorrow you take up an interview in the TCS or Infosys Wipro. Students are the highly stressful level. So tomorrow is the interview. I did not prepare the interview. How to crack the interview? So this is stressful. Okay. Why the manpower, especially the student to once student to listening to the interview, the word the listening interview, tomorrow's interview. So most of the students are stress level. So it's nothing stress. Okay, listen. Interview is what is right and what is wrong. This is examination. So examination pattern is a person to prepare the examination to doing writing the exam. So interview is interview the HR, the human resource manager, to checking your personality, your confidence, your strength, your attitude and your behavior. That's all. This is called the interview. Once you are strong in communication, definitely you crack the interview. Once you are loose in communication, you did not select the interview. Fine. My first point is, it gives the student a good idea what to expert and useful the practice of the time management. Listen. So based on interview, the time management is a very important. Why? You are asking the question. So how it is possible, sir? Time management is a very. So interview is only the 10 to 15 minutes. The HR to identify whether it is the candidate suitable or not. So they are the experienced person to 10 to 15 years experienced person. They are no. For next, the student point of view, for student to have working well, it can better the boost their confidence. So a person to complete in the 2016 batch or 18 batch, the person to take up an interview, they are the experienced person. Hey, I have completed so many interviews. I don't worry about the interview. I strong in communication. And my communication is well and good because I completed in the TOEFL classes. I have a TOEFL certificate. I do the British language, the American language. So he is not worried about the interview. What? Which are the person or who are the person to worry at the interview? They are the loose in communication. Basically, you are in the Tamil medium student. So this is the only reason. Okay. Interview is based on checking your talent. Fine. The next point is, for the student who are working out is usefully to wake up a call. Next, the student, it can highlight the areas to really need more work. So more work is so tomorrow is an interview. So today we have to do a little bit of work. So you have to prepare the company profile. So for example, so tomorrow is a TCS interview. So now the candidate, so before 1 week, the student to prepare the interview. Okay, so TCS is the largest IT company services, first thing. The annual turnover is 1,50,000,000. So annual turnover. So more than all over the world, around to 1 crore employee to working in the TCS. So based on these all the information is very important. Time yourself, yes, and that's all. Next, interview. Listen. This is the 5 techniques is a very important. This is called the interview. Aptitude and group discussion and technical and personal and the HR. This 5 round is a very important. Okay. HR is one of the high level position. Once the 1,000 or 2,000 candidate to attend the interview, so all the candidate to HR to take the face-to-face interview, it is impossible. Okay. So filtering process. Maybe the AVS and Shaktikala's group of institution, there are the 7 or 8 institutions are there. So most of the students to attend the interview. Around the 5,000 candidate to apply the personality test is a written examination. After written examination result of 5,000 is divided by 2,500 candidates to selected in the aptitude. What is the aptitude? You are strong in the mathematics. Basically, you are a commerce student. You have to prepare. You are strong in the mathematics. Fine. It is called the aptitude. Next, group discussion. Nothing but what is the group discussion? Most of the candidate to do a panic, to fear, and the stressful to the group discussion. So simple. It is not. So it's not a high big thing. So simple. So 10 people in the group. You have to prove your communication. So there is a two-step and the strategy. You have cracked the group discussion. The first strategy is that those who are the initiator. Once you are the first person to talk about the any other topic or social media or any other current scenario, say any other, you have to pay. It is definitely you are selected. Your concept, your content is right or wrong, your body language, your personality, everything is poor. But basically you are initiated, you are selected. Okay, next, those who are the concluder. Okay, what is meant by concluder? So, various person to provide the various idea. So you have to conclude. Okay, Kumar is said the positive thinking. So Kumar is said the negative aspect. It's very very important. Okay, next. So this is the group discussion. After completing the group discussion, around the 1,500 or 2,000 candidate to selected the interview. Fine. Okay. Next, technical. This is the one of the critical situation of the interview. Why is a critical interview? The candidate to strong your major, because the major it means that basically you are in BBA, you are strong in the management, you are in commerce, you are strong in the commerce and accounts. Once you are a physics or chemistry, see you are strong, you are basically strong in the technical. Maybe the HR basically MSc Computer Science or MSc Physics graduate to asking the technical of the interview. Next, the fourth, personal interview. Okay, so based on the resume round. Okay, once how you have to be tell me something about. You have to explain about the resume. So my strength is I am the good team worker. So I am the basically interact with some other person. How you have to be presentation in your resume, the HR to asking to the personal interview. So this personal interview, the filtration process is continuing on. Around the 500 candidates to be selected to the HR round. The HR round is once think about the do you know the scene about the Kaun Banega Crorepati, the Amitabh Bachchan one of the famous show. The show is ultimate once the person is face to face, the hot seat, it means. So, yarla Amitabh Bachchan kuda, you have to conduct the face to face interview. You have to be, the time is 1 minute. This 1 minute you have to tell me something about the answer. So, around the 10 to 15 members to it's a right answer. Those who are the time, first person you have to be interviewed. So, this the final round is that scenario. You have to take up an interview. The HR is a 40 to 50 years experience, especially in this industry. Fine. Once after completing the HR, you got offer. It's aptitude. What is aptitude? This in basic is a natural ability to do something. So basically, you're strong in management, you're cracking the aptitude. Fine. Is that the HR to consider the outstanding aptitude is called the talent. So they are need the outstanding performance. Why the aptitude is a compulsory round is in this interview? Basically, the problem solving skill is a very very important. Why is it important? Once you are joined in the company, after 1 year or 1.5 years, you have to face the big problem. So you have to solve the problem. So only reason the company, the first round is the aptitude. Fine. The aptitude may be the physical or mental. The physical, it means you are working in the industry is called the physical. So you are working in the IT company or software company is based on the mental. Next is a group discussion. So let me conclude. You have to learn about a lot of points. Those who are the initiator and concluded. These 2 points are very very important. So GDs form the importance of the short listening process for the recruitment is to the admission to the company or institution. Okay, maybe 2000, for example, an international voice process is there. So US voice process is a high level communication. Once the HR to be those who are person to complete the TOEFL classes. So TOEFL English classes is that a person to have a TOEFL certificate definitely that person to got an offer. Fine, it's called the group discussion. So how you have to straight away to communicate the US people and UK people. Okay, fine. Based on your communication is a very very important. So group discussion is one of the recruitment process is the high level of the communication based on the job description. Fine. Okay. Next, who is the first initiator in the group discussion? Definitely to got a job. So those are the initiator and concluded. Based on a group discussion, a subject content is a very very important. Subject knowledge is a very very important. So based on the any the topic is a social media, WhatsApp, is Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. This all the topic is a point is a very very important. Fine. Technical. So what is meant by technical? So technical it means the HR to asking the question is based on your subject knowledge. a person to complete the BSCCS and BCA and the BBA to asking your subject knowledge question. Listen, so before to enter in the interview, all the candidate to check the soft skill. So soft skill is a very, very important. The person to attend the so many soft skill is based on the interview. So you are the weak in the soft skill, you did not to select the job. As a personal interview. So personal interview is a face-to-face interview. So HR to asking the question to the based on the your problem solving and your attitude and behavior. Maybe the question will be to be touching your ego based on the family and your lovable person to asking the question how you are handle this scenario is a very, very important. This is called the personal interview. Right. Next, HR. So HR round is a highly stress oriented. Why this round is a stress oriented? It means that maybe a person to take up interview, the HR is more than 45 and 50 age people. Okay, they are learn to lot of people, they are seen the and meet the lot of people. So more than the 1,000-2,000 interviews they are handled. So that experience in front of before, you are in the fresher candidate, this is the first interview. Once you are based on the talent and skill and knowledge, you are prove yourself. Okay, highly stress oriented. Fine, everybody to have a stress. So day to day, every life to based on the stress oriented. How you have to tackle the stress, how you have to compare to the high level of the stress is a very, very important. Fine. After completing the 3-4 hour round, a job interview to have made be the face the job interview the process. Once a person to cracking the 3 or 4 rounds, the final round, the HR to round to reject the so many candidates. Why the candidates are rejected is based on the stress. So the candidate to have a lot of experience, so a lot of knowledge and lot of talent. So this is the stress. This is the only reason the candidate did not expose your talent, did not expose the communication. This is the problem. So psychologically, most of the doctors said how you tackle the stress. How the person to handle the stress is a very, very important. To discuss with your career milestone, either you get a dream job. So this round is a better, you get a dream job. Once remaining the 4 round, you have to crackle. This is a 5th round. This is one of the career goal. Once you have to completely successful in this round, definitely the wonderful job, either 15,000 or 20,000 or 25,000, Google or Microsoft or Facebook, so many companies to provide the offer. Once you are rejected, so every day after 2 hours or 3 hours, you feel worry about this interview. So the 5th stage of interview is a very, very important. So once you crack the interview, your dream life, your beautiful life is waiting for you. Fine, this is the last round of the interview. Once again, thanks for the opportunity to the AVS and Shakti Kailash Group of Management. Thank you very much.